Magandang araw mga kamatinkers. Nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong episode kung saan magsosolve tayo o magdetermine tayo ng product ng ating expressions. So simulan natin. For number 1, we have here 2 times x plus 2. So in order for us to solve this is gagawin lang natin, i-distribute lang natin ang number 2 to each of our terms. So 2 times x, that is 2x. And 2 times positive 2, that is positive 4. And that will be our answer for number 1. For number 2, same process. Given 4 times x minus 1, distribute lang po si 4. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. And that will be our answer here. For number 3, we have negative 5 times x plus 3. So, i-distribute lang ulit natin sa negative 5. So, negative 5 times x, that is negative 5x. And negative 5 times positive 3, that is negative 15. So, that will be our final answer for number 3. So, thank you everyone for staying and see you in our next video. Bye-bye!